All right, guys, I woke up today and it is kind of warm out here. It's almost 50 degrees, which is warm for what we've had. It looks like most of the snow has melted. It's good that we don't have as much snow anymore, but it's all muddy. And the dogs get mud all over their paws. We're used to the negative digits, so I'm only out here with a hoodie on right now. But anyway, welcome back to another vlog here. I have a couple of packages sitting inside that I'm gonna open, and we'll go from there. We have no idea. I usually don't know what I'm gonna vlog about. Sometimes I do, sometimes I just go with the flow. Most of the time I go with the flow. So I guess that's what we're gonna do today. Okay, I have two packages here. One of them, which I bought myself. I had some gift cards from Christmas and my birthday, so I ended up buying this Eero. It's a mesh Wi-Fi system because although I was able to get some good internet downstairs where my office is, it's really spotty the rest of the house. So hopefully this will work. I tried getting a Wi-Fi booster back in December and that didn't work at all. So this was what people recommended to me. So I got this, and I'm just gonna place them throughout the house. So well, I should probably open that too, just to show what's inside in case anybody is interested in the mesh system. But let's go with the mystery box first. Oh, okay, so it's Howl. And I'm familiar with them. They sent me some of their vegan products a few years back, and it was really good. It's like a vegan mac and cheese. So let's see what we got today. You guys see it first. This is what we got. Roasted garlic and herb, creamy cashew, mac and cheese. I don't know where they're being sold, maybe in stores, maybe online. If I can find out where they're selling them, I'll put a link under this video here. Let's rip right into here. Fast, reliable Wi-Fi 6 for every corner of your connected home. So that's what they look like. Ooh, look at that. Nice and shiny. I think these are just to power them on, I hope. And then I just set these. I'm gonna set one probably in this room right here over by the window. I was thinking about maybe, we'll see how it works. Maybe the kitchen, maybe down the hallway. And take it over here. I'm gonna put it up here by the TV in the corner of the room. Okay, right over here, there's just a lonely little plant. So let's set that right there. And plug that right in there. Now we have to take the main one and put it down by the modem. Okay, it's plugged in, and then I have an Ethernet cord going directly into my computer. Okay, so that's not working, so now we have to rely on plan B, which is read the directions. Okay, it was giving me some problems. I had to restart a few times, but I finally got it set up, and I moved the first one over to a different location because it said, what did it say, Andy? What did it say? It said not to put it by any electronics, TVs and stuff like that. And it's right by the TV, which I hardly use anyway, but I put it in the kitchen instead. And then the other one down the hallway. So we have a mesh system of 2 extenders throughout the house. And check out that mist. What are you getting?
Handles. I gotta get 23 of these.
23 handles.
I think 13 of these.
The gold ones?
Bronze.
Bronze. To go on the green kitchen. Is that what it's called? Is it green or what is it? What's the exact color?
Pewter green.
Pewter?
Yeah. Harry. Come here, Harry.
We'll call him Harry.
Come up here.
There's a long neck. It's funny.
He's got big paws too. You know what he looks like? Like cats. I'm a kitty cat, and I got sentence, and I done things. Remember that video? He looks just like that cat. He just needs to get fatter.
When you move it, it lights up.
He's tired.
Yeah.
What's this?
Whole family watching the kitty. Now, before we went home, we stopped at Aldi to grab some produce and other groceries, and we found some new vegan products. Here we have the vegan orange chicken, the beef and broccoli, and this General Tso's chicken bowl. They're actually really good. I tried the General Tso's and the orange chicken. I got to say, pretty tasty. Also, these plant-based protein fries, they're almost like vegan chicken strips with nice crispy breading. Put them in the air fryer. Super delicious. $5.99. Ooh, the light came on over there. Somebody must be back there. Somebody must be back there. I don't have a dog waiting for me? I don't have two dogs waiting for me?
I'm just saying the level part doesn't really matter.
Well, yeah, it does, because you want it to be straight. Well, I guess...
But this isn't, where we are isn't
right,
level.
you're only putting one in instead of two. So this is the progress right now going on in the kitchen. We just went to the store, as you saw, and bought a bunch of knobs and stuff. So now we're trying to put that on. But at the same time, I'm over here making some boiling water. And we're going to try out this new vegan mac and cheese. Roasted garlic herb by Howl. It is really windy and rainy out there. How level is the house? It's probably not that level. I bet if you put a golf ball down, it'll just start rolling.
I'm sure.
I'm sure. Nice house, but not that level. We've got a nice little fire going. We have nice, perfect internet so far. And it's able to go to my cameras and the Ring doorbell. And then eventually I'll show you my prepping room, my food prep room, in case there's a zombie apocalypse. Plant-based, soy-free, zero cholesterol. Let's look at the contents of this package. Ooh, looks like those howls already tried to get in this one. They were hungry. There we go. We've got elbows. We're going to put those in the hot boiling water, and then we got our cheese packet, which is the creamy cashew sauce, roasted garlic herb. All right, timer's up. We got to strain them. Don't mind my clean sink. All right, we're going to add it right back to the pot. We're going to open up our cheesy sauce, and we're going to squeeze it into there. Squeeze the cheese. All right, we're gonna mix that up, get it all nice and hot. I feel like I'm doing a commercial for them or something. And there we have it. Howl. All right, we're tasting it. It's good, it's garlicky. Garlicky and cheesy. If you like garlic and you like mac and cheese, you're probably gonna like this. Let's check out the ingredients. The macaroni is just wheat and the sauce is all of the other ingredients. Are you level-headed?
Trying to be.
Trying to be? Well, I just screwed on this knob right here. It looks nice. Not the inside, there's nothing in there worth. Is it crooked? I think it's good. It's good. Looks nice. Yep, he's just gonna sit down right on you. It's like, are you right there? I'm just gonna sit right on you real slow. Okay, it is flooding in the basement. Like, a lot. And I was cleaning my office, reorganizing. As you can see, I moved my desk over here, and I noticed it was all wet over here. It's not as wet over here as it is in the other room, but it's just pouring in. Rachel's painting all these, so. And I went out back, and it's just a hill of water, and it got warm today. The snow and ice melted, and now it's pouring out. It's getting cold again. It's turning into snow. And this is what it's looking like. And you could see it coming in. So I don't know what we're going to do about this. They didn't tell us this when we moved in either. They didn't disclose any of this. It could have just happened now, but what are the chances a house over 40 years old is just going to do it all of a sudden? I don't know. Maybe it did, maybe it didn't. Gonna have to call somebody in the morning. I don't know if it's gonna keep coming in or what. So I'm gonna call my buddy in the morning and see if he knows somebody that can come take a look at this ASAP. Well, I hate to end this on a bad note, but there's really nothing else to put in the vlog for tonight. So go ahead, thumbs up it, follow along, subscribe if you want to know the outcome of this. And as always, stay safe, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys next time.